What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Risk It for the Biscuit. Today's the big day. We're gonna go baseline dyno the Evo X MR and see what kind of numbers we're putting down. My guess is we're gonna hit around 270 range. I'm guessing 273 specifically. All we have is an intake, a go fast bits blow off valve, and a Magnaflow exhaust. Those are the only things that have been modified on the entire car. So I think with the boost coming on a little quicker, maybe we can kind of get a little spike with that blow off valve, and then some of that back pressure relief with the exhaust. Maybe we'll get up there. The ETS intake, I think will also do a little bit of an increase without a tune. So we'll see what happens. Let's go check it out. Skirt. Ooh, got the Pro going. Let's see what we got here.
I gotta ask you something.
Damn, Daniel.
Are you excited, man?
I'm pretty pumped, man. We're gonna see what this little stock thing makes. Mostly stock.
It's gonna put down the power, I think, more than
I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's gonna be mid 260s. Hey, there's some good guesses going. It's crazy, dude. Someone's got this SRT set up or something like that. I think Will would like this car. Maybe. I don't know if he's into the...
I don't know if he's into the big ass weight.
Yeah.
I know he's looking for one, maybe we should hear.
That thing is sick though, honestly. That's a cool build. Just made it out here, got Jake on deck, experiencing it with us. So we're gonna get the baseline dynos going and see what we can do. Car stock, ETS intake, blow off valve from Go Fast bits, and a Magnaflow exhaust. No tune, the hex file has not been modified as far as I know, so we're gonna see what it puts down. What do you think it's gonna make?
I'm thinking 279 to the wheel.
He says 279 to the wheel. I'm thinking 273, so we'll see what happens here. It's cool being able to hear my car from outside for the first time ever.
I told you have sound.
Getting them clutches warm. That's one thing I need, is a temp gauge for the trans, so I know when my clutches are warm. So that's what he's doing. He's warming it up on the dyno right now before he makes the pull. There's Will.
Gotta hurry. What are they gonna do? 3 pulls?
Yeah. Yo, park behind this Chrysler real quick.
Behind it?
Yeah, he just did the first pull, so he's got 2 more. That's Will. Run number 2 on the way. It does, doesn't it? All right, this is a final run. I'm guessing, man, it's so hard to tell. What are you guessing? What'd you guess? 278. 278. Final guess. Damn, I love this car. This thing sounds so good. I did not realize it sounded that good outside. But we're not going up to the screen for some COVID reasons, but we got to respect the boundaries of our businesses so that they can perform their duties. So I'm pretty happy so far. He's gonna break down the car and then get me a JPEG and a dyno sheet. So thank you, Ryan, and Modified KC. All right, so dyno has been dynoed, and here we go. So you're gonna see some things in this this power curve, those of you who are educated, and you'll see some errors and stuff. And it's not based on how the car was dynoed, it's with my vehicle. So other than that, I'm pretty happy with what we got, guys, because here we go. Get that in direct sunlight. So you can see there, about 4,000, we're having some issues, and I think it's the ASC. Sorry, there's literally a Kawasaki driving in first freaking gear right now. We got 282 horse, and we got 307 torque, so pretty happy with that. That was actually more than anyone in our local car group guessed. So and fortunately for Quinn, he is the youngest and can't drink alcohol, so he gets a 6-pack of Dr. Pepper. All right, we're about to depart Modified by KC. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vid.